it's Hannah from Stardust. Today I've got a really fun dance to Hawaiian Rollercoaster Ride for you. So I want you to put on your most colourful dresses, outfits, and then let's get ready to dance. Good job. So we are going to start with our arms folded to the side. Lovely. And we're going to open them nice and slow. And then we're going to do two waves like the ocean. Wave, wave, clap, wave, wave, clap. Good. And again, wave and wave. Good job. Then you're going to take both arms and you're going to tap. 2, 3, 4. Very nice. Then we're going to go to the side and you're going to pull like you're pulling yourself along with a rope. Good. Then can you repeat the other side? Tap. And the other way, pull, pull. Good job. Then we're going to pretend we're swimming. So can you do front crawl? Swim, swim. Good. And then arms up and up. Good. I think we should go with music.
There's no place I'd rather be. Lingering in the ocean blue. I'd surf till the sun sets beyond the horizon.
Looking awesome so far. Well done. The next bit, we're going to roll our arms. Roll forwards and backwards, and then you're going to turn all the way round. Good. Do that again with me. Roll forwards and backwards and all the way round. Good. Then we're going to repeat our ocean waves. Wave, wave, and wave. Good. Then we're going to pretend we're surfing. So stretch your arms really wide and we're going to surf, surf. Very good. That's it. So nice stretched arms. Amazing. Let's go with music.
There's no place I'd rather be. Lingering in the ocean blue. I'd surf till the sun sets beyond the horizon. Flying by a Hawaiian rollercoaster.
You are doing so well with this dance. Let's learn the next bit. So we're going to bring our arms here and we're going to tap our toe, heel, and then tap. Good. That's it. So toe, heel, tap. And then you go round the other side and again. Toe, heel, tap. Good. We're going to do it 4 times. Toe, heel, tap. One more time. Toe, heel, tap, and round. Then we repeat this bit that we've already learned. Good job. Let's try it all the way from the beginning. Are we ready?
There's no place I'd rather be. Lingering in the ocean blue. I'd surf till the sun sets beyond the horizon. Flying by a Hawaiian rollercoaster.
Get ready, use it.
La 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 la. There's no place I'd rather be. I'm gonna tell you where I live. I can't till the sun sets beyond the horizon. It's time to try the Hawaiian rollercoaster.
dancing, everyone. I hope you are enjoying this fun routine today. I think we can do it one more time from the very beginning. Ready?
There's no place I'd rather be. Lingering in the ocean blue. I'd surf till the sun sets beyond the horizon. Flying by on a Hawaiian rollercoaster ride. I'll be keeping my own hill. La 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 la.
One more time.
Hey hey my tato hey. There's no place I'd rather be. Although the sun is where I live. I'd make till the sun sets beyond the horizon. It's time to try the Hawaiian Rollercoaster Ride.
Thanks for joining me for dance class today, everyone. I hope you enjoyed that fun little routine. Have a great day, and I hope to dance with you all again soon.